Yes. My screen is visible to everyone. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I told you this word sakhanan. So sakhanan means basically heater. Heater. Okay. It is in washroom. Heater, and mirror means mirror. So you can note it down. I hope you are making notes regarding the vocabulary and other things. So these things would help you a lot while you will do the practice later on at home. Okay, sakhanan is heater, wa mirgha and mirror. Is there any question regarding this? So otherwise we will move on. No question? Okay, some mufradat are here, but you guys have to read them out loud at home and do the practice, and do your practice sessions as well for the practice. And these exercises, you can see, look into all of these exercises, and in next class, you can discuss whatever you don't understand. So we will discuss about these. Here, let me tell you about the day's name. These are the day's name. You can learn by heart and repeat louder at home, more like 5 to 10 times. Okay, As-Sabt is Saturday, Al-Ahad is Sunday, Al-Isnain, Al-Sulasa, Al-Arbi'a, Al-Khamis, Al-Jum'a. You guys can notice that some days names are very similar in sounding with the counting. Like Al-Ahad, Wahid, Isnan, Salasa, Arba'a, Khamsa. Five, like counting till five, are very similar with the days names. Okay, so be careful while you will learn about the days names. So you will have to easily discriminate in between the days name and counting. We can also say Yawmus Sabt, Saturday, Al-Ahad, Yawmul Ahad, or Al-Ahad, Yawmul Isnain, Yawmus Sulasa, Yawmul Arbi'a, Yawmul Yawmul Khamis, Yawmul Jum'a. Okay, so try hard to learn the day's name as well. We will discuss in our next class these things. Let me take you to the pictures which I was talking about to discuss. Wait a minute. Yes. Here, these are the haruf jar. As I told you, these are prepositions of Arabic, harf. We used to say harf, but in Arabic terminologies, we use like its name is huruf jar, huruf jar. Okay, fi, in, ala, on, ila, to, fauka, above, tahta, under, ma'a, with, from, min, close to, bijanib, baina, between, amama, in front, wara'a, behind. You just guys have to look into this picture. I will share it after the class. So you will easily come to understand that whenever we will go through our next lessons. So all of these words you will notice that they would be used in different kind of sentences. So if you guys will learn all of the things, you can easily make sentences all by yourself, and you can easily try hard to translate the Arabic in your language, English or Urdu, whatever you want. These are adawatul istifham. We use WH questions. So all of the WH questions are given here, and they are called in Arabic adawatul istifham. These two pictures, like three pictures I will share. One is for exercise, and you guys have to do that exercise with the help of these pictures. Who will tell me the meaning of mata? We read the mata? No. So far, mata word didn't come yet in any lesson. Mata means when. When. Like when we want to know about the time, that which time you come or which time you sleep, which time you go somewhere. So we use mata for when. Okay, when does it start? Mata. Maza, what? Okay, maza, what? Have you guys noticed that we use ma ismuki, ma ismuka, but here there is maza. Why we are using here maza and why we have used only ma, not maza ismuka?
For things we use maza.
The major difference is that this is a tip. You can write it down in your notebook. It's a tip that maza and ma both have the same meaning, what? But maza we will use when we want to use the verb or when we want to know something randomly, like what is the present. Here they are asking. But ma always use for ism. Ma ismuka, ma what can we say? What?
Ma jinsati yuka.
Exactly. Ma jinsiyatuki, ma jinsiyatuka. Okay. So keep remember when we will have to ask any question regarding what with ism. So we use only ma. And when we use verb, we use maza. Okay. Man means who. Like yesterday, we have seen the exercise of ma jaddatuka, ma jaddatuki. There was an exercise. I don't know you guys have done or not, but we have discussed yesterday, and I told you to do as home assignment. That was the ending exercise of our last lesson, Usra, where they were asking man waliduhu Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Do you remember that? So man means who. If I would ask, who are you? How would I ask? Who are you?
Man haza?
Man anti. Who are you?
Ah, sorry.
If you are saying what is that person, yes. Man hazihi zalik. इसमें that आया हुआ है. So later on we will discuss that when that will come, wo. Not here, not this. Here they are talking about that. So we will discuss about that in later lessons. Okay, next is come. We already read it, come, in our yesterday's dialogue, if you remember. Do you remember that? We have read come. Wait a minute.
मैं आज के डायलॉग में पढ़ा है शायद कम हमने.
Yesterday. Yes, exactly. How many rooms? Yesterday also we have read. See, wait a minute. No, yesterday we didn't see. In today's dialogue, yes. How many rooms? Come means how. Okay. So we can use how old are you? Kam umru ka. Kam umru ki. How old are you? Limaza, why? Why is the sky blue? Why are you doing this? Why it happened? Why this and that? Limaza. Okay. Aina, we already have done it. Where? Aina. How can we use it? Aina, where is he?
आईना हुआ, we can say आईना हुआ.
Aina hua. Perfect. Okay, so all of these things are here. I think some questions are missing, if I'm not mistaken. I will see and I will let you know. Next picture is this. You guys have to do this exercise with the help of this picture. Here, you have to sort out and share it in group after editing. You have to see that which harf will come when we make a sentence using these two vocabularies. Okay, try to do this. And if anybody have any issue regarding understanding these, kindly let me know. Wait a minute. Yes. Is there any confusion? Even though I have written all of the things that Alif, you guys have to make some kind of things. Wait. For your easiness. Oh. Wait a
Can
minute.
you please give us words to convert them into, these different
Sorry?
kind of. Can you please give us words? Can you please share some words which
Yeah,
we can
sure. I will
transfer from,
definitely.
one form to other form?
I will definitely share the words, but I am giving you some tip that you guys can do this. Alif, Noon, Ya, Ta, Ta. There would be three Ta. Alif, Noon, Ya, Ta, Ta, Ta. Three Ta. Because one Ta is for you male, one Ta is for she, one Ta is for you female. Tatavaddaina. This is a different word, so you can easily know that for second person female, if I'm talking to you, I will say tatavaddaina. Okay? I hope you guys got to know, understood all of the things. Today, I will definitely share some of the words so you can easily, after doing a lot of practice, you can easily come to know that how would you do this. All right. Okay. Now, yes. Okay, we have done today, we have done 2 dialogues. No, 3 dialogues. Okay. If I would ask you, where do you live? How would I say?
Aina taskun.
Okay. If you are talking to a female, so how would you say?
Aina taskun.
Aina taskunina.
Aina
Sita
taskunina.
tawaddaina.
Yes, yes, yes.
Aina taskunina. Okay, so it
Aina
needs a
taskunina.
practice. You will easily come to know, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, so how can I say, do you live in the house? Who will tell me?
أين تسكن بيت؟
Aina taskunu bait. Who will, what did I say? Where do you live?
नहीं, do you live in a house?
Yes. Do you live in a
أين
house?
تسكن في البيت؟
No, make a question. Do you live in a house? Can you make a question?
أين
هل تسكن في البيت or في
Why
بيتك?
we are using Aina? Because I am asking, do you live in a house? I didn't use where. Aina means where. See, do you live in a house? I told you Hal use for those questions where we can easily answer from yes or no. Like Hal use for are you, do you, these kind of questions we use Hal. Hal taskunu fil baiti. Do you
هل
live
تسكن في
in
البيت؟
a house? See, in we use fee. For in we use fee. Fee here. هل تسكن في بيت؟ هل تسكن في بيت? I told you yesterday, if you remember, that 1 second. Here there is a tanween. And I told you if there would be al. With al, we are not supposed to use tanween. Okay? We are not supposed to use tanween. Here, fi baitin means in a house. You can note it down. So this would be a tip for you to understand easily the sentences of Arabic. Fi baitin means in a house. Here there is a tanween I am saying. Fi baitin. But with al, there is no tanween we can use. And both are correct. If I want to say fil baiti, in the house. Fil baiti means in the house. So I will add al here after fi, and then I will like remove tanween and only use zair Arab. So it would become fil baiti, in the house. I hope you guys understood. Either we would use tanween or either we would use al. Both of the things we can't use altogether. Either it would be a zabar, zair, or pesh, anything. Tun, tin, tan, all of the three things we are not supposed to use al. If we want to use al, so we have to skip the tanween and only use Arab. I hope you guys understood this tip. If there would be any question regarding this, kindly let me know. Okay. All right. So who will tell me that ma rakmus safha? What does it mean? Ma rakmus safha. Ma means
What? Rakam means number. What number of?
yes, safha,
Sa-
page.
Safa.
What is the page number? Ma rakmus safha.
Safa. Okay.
Okay, if we make the sentences so we can easily use during the class different sentences in conversation. Like yesterday in dialogue, we have learned ma rakmu shakkatika. What was it mean? Its meaning I told you.
What is the number of your flat? Your flat number.
Exactly. Ma rakmu shakkatika means your flat. Shakka is the flat and kaf is attached pronoun, as we already learned earlier in our earlier classes. Okay. Ma means what is, rakmu number, shakka flat, and ka is attached pronoun, shakkatika, like your flat. So what is the number of your flat? Okay. All right. In our next dialogue, we have done different things. So what does it mean, min fadlik?
Fadlik, enter means in respectful way. Come
Min
enter.
fadlik
The
means
village.
please.
हाँ, min
Tafaddal means
fadlik.
here you go. Okay. See, both are similar. So don't get confused. Min fadlik means please. And tafaddal means, wait a minute. Here is the tafaddal. This word. When I want to be respectful to a person, so I would say tafaddal, here you go. Here you are. Like this I used to say. But if I want to say please, so I would say min fadlik. Okay? All right. What is the meaning of ladaina? Yes.
We
I
have.
want. We want.
We want. I want ladayya.
It is want or have.
Sorry?
आपने कहा था लदाइना have होता है. मतलब we have.
Ladaina,
होता है.
we have. Ladayya, I have.
I have. हाँ, fine.
It's isme fa'il. Isme fa'il. I will tell you later. We will discuss about different terminologies because there is a very complex grammar in Arabic. So that's why I'm just telling you a very basic grammar so you can easily come to know. When we would have a control and grip towards basic grammar, then we will move on to complex grammar. So far it's an isme fa'il. We are not supposed to say any other thing. इसको हम और कुछ नहीं कह सकते. But we need to understand that it means I have, we have, you have, लदैका और लदैकी. ladayhu, ladayha, as he or she, if you remember. I hope you guys know and learned about ha and who difference. As we already discussed, ha used for he or she.
Ha for she, who for he.
Exactly. Ha used for she and who used for he. This is who. Okay. So these are the words you can easily make all by yourself. As I told you, this picture, this. In this way, you have so many words in this dialogue. Like uridu, you can make all of the detached pronouns. Yes. You can make all of the verb forms of present and uridu, ladaina. What else is verb here? Udkhul, mushahada. Here mushahada is ism, but it also used for like mushahada. I'm saying that I want to see the flat.
Ka.
Okay.
Flat.
So here the person is asking that I want to see the flat. Here only simple verb is using, but yeah, observe the flat. No, see the flat. Mushahada is watching, seeing, looking, watching. Like I would say, ushahidu, I watch. Ushahidu, tilfaz. Tilfaz is TV.
अगर हम कहेंगे I am watching TV तो
Ushahidu.
अशाहिदु
Ushahidu.
तल्फाज.
हाँ, ushahidu इत्तल्फाज और
तल्फाज.
yushahidu he watch or he's watching.
He is watching. And tushahidu is she is watching.
Exactly. Or if I would say to a female second person.
Tushahidina.
Perfect.
Okay.
Right. So these words you can make for the
If we
practice.
are watching nushahidin. ऐसा होगा?
Nushahidu. Nushahidu.
नहीं, if we are watching.
Yes,
We are
yes.
watching.
We. Noon is using
So
instead of alif
नुशाहि
and ya.
हाँ,
Nushahidu.
नुशाहिदु हाँ.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
अच्छा. Okay.
All right. So no, it doesn't have the meaning of witness. It means watching, seeing. Witness is something else. Like I'm watching a car, I'm watching TV, I'm watching a magazine. In this way, we can use. It is not that mushahida or observation which we use in Urdu. It is an Arabic word. Yes, there would be so many similar words in Arabic with Urdu, but you would be amazed to understand the meanings that whatever we use the meaning in Urdu of those words are totally different in Arabic words. Like mushahida, in Urdu we use mushahida and observation, but it is not in Arabic. For observation and witness, there would be some other words. Okay, so we will, in next lesson, we will know more other words जिनके मीनिंग हम उर्दू में कुछ और कहते हैं बट अरबिक के अंदर वो मीनिंग नहीं यूज होते हैं. अरबिक के जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो डिफरेंट होते हैं. उदखुल इज द कमांडिंग वर्ड्स एज आई टोल्ड यू इट्स अ फेले अमर. ओके, इट्स फेले अमर. In next class, I will tell you guys complete Arabic grammar basics. We will discuss about all of the things. Here I told you they have mentioned yadkhul. Here udkhul. It is fe'l amar that I'm commanding someone that enter, or I'm commanding someone do it, eat it, drink it, something like that. Like drink it को क्या कहते हैं? I'm telling you the word ishrab. Ishrab. I'm telling you, I'm commanding you, ishrab, pio, just drink. I'm commanding you, what else we can say? Izhab, go. I'm commanding to someone, izhab, just go.
टीचर अगर ये मैं अपने लिए यूज कर रही हूँ, एक तो कोई ऑर्डर कर रहा है, अगर मैं कहूंगी मुझे पीना है तो तब भी ये इशरब ही होगा ना, या
Ashrab,
कुछ और होगा?
ashrabu,
अशरब होगा,
ashrabu.
अशरबू होगा।
See, you can
और अगर
imagine the things. Atavaddau, ashrabu, uridu. एराब का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो देखें कि फेले मुदारे इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. When I say I want to use, I want to make a sentence in present tense, तो एराब का जो combination है, I have to note it down. I have to learn the एराब्स combination. Like ashrabu, I drink. Akulu, I eat. Azhabu, I go. And what else? Uridu, see, uridu, I want. Ushahidu, I watch. Okay. Here udkhul. Udkhul is commanding word. Ishrab is commanding word. In commanding words, there would be some Arab difference. Here you can say the Arab pesh is using in the beginning, but here you can see that Arab zair is using. So we will later on we will learn some things, because there are so many things in Arabic जो without logic and without reasoning Arabs use करते हैं और वो हमें याद करनी होती हैं as it is. Okay, but इधर हम एराब को देखेंगे कि कौन से किन कमांडिंग वर्ड्स में विच कमांडिंग वर्ड्स वी यूज विच एराब. दिस इज द कमांडिंग वर्ड. बट फेले मुदारे का सिंबल ये है टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट अशरबू, अजहबू, आकुलू, उशाहिदू, उरीदू, एंड व्हाट एल्स वी कैन यूज. हमने कौन कौन से और कौन से पढ़ लिए हैं? अस्कुनु. ओके, दीज काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स वी यूज. Like for instance here, what else is? Previously हमने क्या पढ़ा है? Usalli, yusalli. What else? So these kind of things gradually and simultaneously, as we will move on in next lessons, we will have an understanding towards the Fele Mudare. And in next lessons, we also will learn about the future tense. There is no difference in future and Fele Mudare, let me tell you. आज मैंने आपको बहुत सारी चीजें बता दी हैं, but they would help you a lot. Like for instance, हमने ये वाले words भी use किए हैं, uridu. तो if I would add only seen before Fele Mudare, it means I will go, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Like in very near future, if I want to say some sentence, so I would use, I would add seen before the present tense verb. Like uridu, turidu, I would add seen. Sa uridu. Sa uridu means I'm gonna do this, I will be want this and this, I will be want this and this. Like मुझे ये चाहिए होगा. Are you getting my point? Very near future, we will use, for very near future, we use seen. And for long future, we use sofa. And then we use Fele Mudare as it is. As it is. There is no big difference in between present and future. But it will create some confusion for you. I will make a flyer like this as I shared yesterday. And then you guys can easily get the understanding about this. Like this picture, we can say. Atavadda'u. If I will add seen here. If I will add seen here, seen.
Sa
atavadda'u. Yes, sa atavadda'u means I'm gonna do the ablution. Like I'm mentioning that very soon I'm going to do this. It's a very near future I'm talking about. I'm gonna do this. And if I will say saufa, sorry. If I will gonna say saufa natawaddau means I will do ablution tomorrow, later, or after some time. It's a little bit far away. Saufa. All of the words will come as it is. Saufa natawaddau, saufa yatawaddau, saufa tatawaddau, tatawaddagina. If there would be any confusion to understand alif, noon, ya, ta, ta, ta. If there would be still any confusion, kindly let me know so we can discuss more about this.
एक चीज मुझे पूछनी थी कि आपने यहाँ पे आई वी के लिए सारे बताए हैं, आता जैसे आ, ना, या, ता, ताता। तो अगर दे का अगर हम यूज करेंगे तो उसके लिए क्या यूज करेंगे?
किसके लिए?
दे के लिए, मतलब प्लूरल और लोगों के लिए, जैसे ही और शी के लिए या और ता है, तो दे के लिए क्या यूज होगा?
दे के लिए भी देखिए हमने जो कुम और वो सारी चीजें यूज की है ना। देखिए वर्ब जो है ना, वर्ब, दिस इज द वर्ब। वर्ब में प्लूरल नहीं आएगा ना। हाँ, हम लोगों के लिए प्लूरल यूज कर रहे हैं। लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस आई वुड यूज उरीदू if I want so many things. So I will say uridukum, uridukum, nuridukum. Wait a minute.
आपने मैं वो तो
एक
मुझे
सेकंड। हाँ,
पता
yes,
है
yes, I'm
सिचुएशन प्रोनाउंस से।
getting your point.
मेरा कहने का मतलब है जैसे यहाँ पे वी है, मतलब प्लूरल हम, प्लूरल मीन्स यानी आई की जगह पे हम है, वैसे
Yes, yes, I understood
दे की
whatever
जगह
you want to say. Wait a minute. Let me take out the detached pronouns and attached pronouns. So we will easily discuss about that. Wait a minute. Actually, I don't want you guys to overwhelm in learning the words. That's why I'm not using the plural so far, because I told you that not only plural in Arabic we have to learn. Also dwell is over there. So that's why there would be some confusion if you guys will all together try to do all of the things. So gradually and simultaneously we will move on, but still let's discuss about this. Then in coming class, I will make sure that we have to discuss first and then we will move on in next lessons, because it's also very important to clarify. So far, that picture is very important, that you have to know how can you use the verb with using alif, noon, ta, ya. Unless we will learn and we will practice those words, we are not able to learn the things including plural and musanna. Musanna, I hope you guys know what is musanna. See, we have singular, dual, and plural. Unless we will not get the strong grip towards singular, we are not supposed to learn the dual and plural. Otherwise, we will get confused. So I don't want you guys to overwhelm to learn the things so much. So that's why try to practice first this. I, we, you, she, he. After that, gradually we will use huma, hum, huma, hunna, antuma, antum. I already told you that you have to learn these girdane like this. Hua, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Unless we will learn these detached pronouns in our fingertips, we will not get the strong grip towards understanding the dual and plural. Dual is musanna and plural is jama. Because there is different word. Huma, huma. For he or she, we use huma, huma. And for you, we use dual, antuma, antuma. And for plural, we use huma, hunna, antum, antuna. So like this, we need to say. I will make you guys learn in the term of fa'ala, af'al, afal, yafal, tafal, nafal. I will share the picture so you guys can easily come to know that what you guys have to do. In our next class, I will make sure that I will share the picture of fa'ala, afal, so you can easily learn the things in explanation. And also I try to add dual and plural, because if I would tell you dual and plural right now, you will get confused. So let me know if you guys still want, so I will see. All of you have learned all of the things. Who will tell me complete detached pronouns with the sequence? Yes,
Ana,
anybody?
nahnu,
Hua,
anti,
huma, hum.
antuma.
No, we have to start from hua, huma, hum. Hiya,
अच्छा,
hum,
okay.
hunna. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, nahnu. This sequence you have to you guys have to follow.
Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antun. Ana,
Antunna.
nahnu.
Antunna.
Antunna. Antunna. Anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, nahnu.
Unless we will learn it by heart, unless we will pick these words in our fingertips, we will get the grip on understanding musanna and jama. अगर मैंने आपको वो बता दिए तो वो आप बिल्कुल ही कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. So try to learn these गिरदाने. हुआ, हुमा, हुम. हिया, हुमा, हुन्ना. अंता, अंतुमा, अंतुम. अंति, अंतुमा, अंतुन्ना. अना, नाहनु. And let's wait a minute. हमने एक second. Yes, attached pronouns भी I hope you guys have learned. Attached pronouns हम किस में यूज करते हैं? इसम में. इसम में हमने यूज किया शक्कतु का, शक्कतु कुमा, शक्कतु कुन्ना, शक्कत. अब आप वर्ड्स पकड़े, यू कैन डू द प्रैक्टिस. अब आप वर्ड्स पकड़े, लाइक दिस इज द एक सेकेंड, वेयर इज द शक्का एंड व्हाट एल्स? गुरफा, शक्का और बैतु. तो आप इससे सामने रखकर अगर if you will do the practice, like from here we can start. See, shakkatuhu, shakkatuhuma, shakkatu